And so it begins. Good morning, adventurers. What do you think, Todd?
I think we're not going to take it. I don't know what we're not going to take. Well, you might not even be able to put the song on there.
Right, that's why I'm turning it.
Because it's copyrighted, but it's Twisted Sister. We're not going to take it.
These water bottles are not gonna. They're not just. I can't.
That's
you
right.
cannot have an adventure without some hiccups along the way. But
that's right.
You look at my pin, handmade. We'll give you a hint on where we're headed. So stick with us. We're gonna take you on quite an adventure. Ugh. My hair doesn't look too bad. It's a little crazy this morning. All right. Stay tuned.
Lock him up, lock him. One French fry? Fry sauce, anybody?
Yeah. I want fry sauce. As you know, of course, eating on the road is challenging in these times, but found a place called Freddy's Frozen Custard and Steak Burgers. All the employees were wearing masks. They had plexiglass shields up in front of the thing, keep people safe. Trying to social distance, but it's hard. It's kind of busy out on the road today, so. But we're eating outside, so I'm excited to try my sandwich. And we got this, a concrete, which is like a mix. What do they call those at Dairy Queen? The concretes, like a blast or whatever.
Really good?
It's called a steak burger, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Nice. To the turtle concrete at
Freddy's Frozen Custard and Steak Burgers. It's really good. Really, it's got a caramel. You got some nuts in there.
Yeah, the nuts are great. All right, so shout out to Freddy's. That place was great. It is like a franchise, but I've never eaten there before. I've never even heard of it. Kind of like a Steak and Shake, like fast food, but a little bit better quality than like a McDonald's, which is kind of what we look for when we're on the road. You can't always get that, but it's nice when you can. And I was really happy with their safety protocols. Excuse me, social distancing, etc. What'd you think?
Yeah, that's good. And they also had all the tables that were
all
available.
the tables, yeah.
That didn't, yeah. So.
Yeah. Oh, let me take this off. So, yeah.
Good job.
Kudos, Freddy. Now, and we are in Columbia.
Yes.
So if you're on the road, 26. I'll fill in the exit number when I know it. But yeah, exciting. Freddy's. Bye, Freddy's. Your frozen custard was tight. Getting back on the road.
The St. Mary's River.
The St. Mary's River, which can only mean one thing. We're in Florida. Palm trees.
Agricultural inspection.
Water.
People not owning socks.
People what?
Not owning socks.
People not owning socks.
One of my theories, if you live in Florida, you don't have to own a pair of socks.
Yeah, that's very true. Why would you ever need socks? What if you're hiking? You don't want to be bit by a snake.
Well, I'm just saying you don't have to. I mean, it's like one of those things.
How many hours have we been driving?
Oh, we left around 10, so it's a little almost 7 hours.
7 hours. We've got
2 stops.
Yeah,
2 stops. And a little congestion.
Yeah, there was a little congestion.
I see it.
Almost there. welcome adventurers, it's room tour time. We are at the Edgewater Inn in St. Augustine, Florida. And this is the first time we've ever stayed kind of in the downtown St. Augustine area, and kind of the best of both worlds, a little bit of nature and a little bit of city. And let me show you this room. So this is kind of all one big area. We've got 2 double beds. Nice. Haven't tried out the mattress yet, but look at all those pillows. Got the bedside table, phone, 2 just regular plugs, which is fine. Bedside table. This is nice material. TV, you know, average size, no big deal. I'm guessing this might be the fridge. Wow, that is a big fridge, guys. Look at that. It's like dorm size. Not mini fridge, but dorm size. Drawers. Nice area for your ice bucket and cups. Look at this little sitting area. Look at Todd enjoying a little sit down. Yeah, this is actually a really big room. It feels very spacious because then you've got this whole little desk area and all this space. Look at all this floor space, and it's got that great vinyl plank. You got a full-length mirror, which we always love. A little closet with a light in it. Hangers, a little valet there. And then this bathroom, which I did not expect. Such a lovely bathroom. Look at this shower. It's huge. So no tub, but you get plenty of space. There's 1 shower head. Looks a little, you know, maybe not super new, but it's okay. Clean. It looks very clean in here. Let's see. I don't see any real mold, which is always a concern in Florida. And then a little countertop with a sink. Nice lighting to do your makeup. Alright, but the reason why we paid extra is this view, which is probably one of the best views we've ever had. Check it out. And I'll take you outside in a second, but we are in a water view. She talked us into upgrading, and it was not that much more. She gave us a bit of a deal, right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit later in the day, but let's show you. Beautiful. We've got these chairs outside. The lady at the front desk said there are dolphins, and we can watch the bridge going up and down. It's a drawbridge or a lift bridge. I don't know what you call it. Drawbridge. And boats going back and forth all evening. And it looks like there's little like popcorn lights strung along on the outside, so it should look really nice and magical at night. And I'm excited. I'm about to go sit on the porch and look for some dolphins. I'm looking right now. So well worth the upgrade. The other side is fine. I mean, I guess you're a little closer to the pool. So far, I'm loving the Edgewater Inn, and we will show you around a little bit more, but that's our room tour.
We've already gone over the Bridge of Lions.
Yep, we've gone over the Bridge of Lions. And there is our hotel. right. We're like right here. What? Okay. So Todd, where are we right now?
The Floridian? Yeah, Floridian, I believe the name of it.
Floridian? Yeah, we're at a restaurant in downtown St. Augustine, and let me show you what we're about to have. This is pulled pork and waffles. It's slow smoked barbecue pulled pork served with our crunchy cornmeal waffles topped with bourbon brown sugar fruit, local honey, house buttermilk ricotta, and candied pecans.
B, Shimon. Teacher.
I got the... This is like a little pedestrian. Oh, they've got maybe little services. Cool. It's pretty quiet down here for a holiday, but it rained really hard. So that's probably why. We're looking for macarons. There's a macaron place around here. But these beautiful stained glass windows. This is a basilica. Not sure what the name is. We are back at the hotel. We walked into St. Augustine across the bridge, and it really wasn't, it was like a 10-minute walk, and then it was another 10 minutes to the restaurant. It was really dark by the time we came back, and it was raining, so I didn't film a whole lot, but I want to show you. There's this macaron place, and I think I saw it last time we were here, and I wanted to try it, but I didn't get to. But now, macarons. So, look at these gorgeous babies. So I believe the place is called, yep, Le Macaron French Pastries. And B got chocolate. Oh no. Well, good morning to you. It is day 2 of our travel adventure. We are in St. Augustine, Florida at the Edgewater Inn. I'm going to show you around in a little bit. Slept pretty good last night, except there's no curtains, there's just blinds, and it was very bright outside, and I'll show you in a second, but there's a big space down the 2 blinds, so we couldn't really get changed out here in the main room or anything like that. It all had to be done in the bathroom. Not a huge deal. So there were little things about this room that were kind of annoying, but overall, I mean, the view. Let's go check out the view. Here is the space between the 2 blinds. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but all night long, I just felt like somebody was gonna peek because it's all one big deck, right? So it wasn't very good at keeping the light out. But then, check out how beautiful it is this morning. So there's the Bridge of Lions, which is the main bridge over into downtown central St. Augustine. Let's just see that. Beautiful. Some gorgeous architecture over there. And then there's the fort or the ruins. I can't remember right offhand what it's called. Haven't seen any dolphins yet, but how relaxing is this? What did she do?
She took the tail.
Just don't wear it, okay? This is an egg casserole, homemade egg casserole for breakfast.